So let's begin this today's session. So there are two different algo trading strategies what we're following. So one of the system what we're following is about options algo, which is intraday straddles and strangles. So I'll just quickly brief you about that particular algo. In this particular algo, what is the main reason is that we want to capture the neutral momentum of Nifty or Bank Nifty because we are seeing that the index is almost trading flat. And based on that, this software has been designed that it will place a trade which is neutral. And we'll also try to see that how we can take the best advantage of this. The main thing about algo, what we're doing here is that we want to capture the neutral momentum. This is the one of the algo. You can see this is the payoff diagram of the strategy. And in this system, from January 1st, right, from next week, we'll be starting like a challenge where every morning we'll be giving you the input sheet. For those who are already part of our algo community, you know that we have an input parameters that will be starting this at 9:20 or 9:25 or 9:30. We'll be giving the best parameters what we follow, and also we'll be having an active discussion on that. For those who are already being trading that particular strategy, we'll be coming to that proper set of rules from 1st January to the entire month. We will trade the same system, and I would recommend for those who are new into the algo trading, you need to also follow the same rules. And this is the strategy what we follow. We do it for Nifty and Bank Nifty combined, and we'll be giving you the input rules. I'll be giving you what are the input parameters what we'll be following. So these are the input parameters what we are currently following for straddles and strangles, and we are given some set of conditions here: the entry timing, the exit timing, the index, what are we going to trade, whether you want to trade for Nifty or Bank Nifty, the lot size, and all these parameters. So basically, from 1st of January, what we'll be giving you is we'll be sending away this sheet every morning at 9 o'clock so that you follow the same parameters to trade for intraday. January 3rd is the Monday. From 3rd of January, you start fresh on the intraday options. We'll be giving you the entry conditions, what you need to follow. Every single day we'll be giving you for completely for 1 month. You follow the same set of rules. You put that whether you do paper trading or whether you do real trading, it is up to you. You can follow anything. Let's say we'll give this condition here. We give that, okay, you enter today at 9:30, you enter today at 10 o'clock, and we tell, okay, you keep stop loss of 20%, and you trade today. We are planning to trade for Nifty, or today we're planning to trade for Bank Nifty. We'll put up the same parameters. You put the same inputs. And the reason I'm telling you this because for those who are new, you will get that confidence on how you can be systematic trader, because systematic trader again is a challenge. And because of that, like we also thought that we need to be doing it like a challenge every month so that you get to know how this system works and how we can become consistent in this game. And also we are also some of the people in our community, they are doing really good in terms of options and equity. We'll be taking their feedback or inputs of whatever they are getting in their trades. So we'll be putting that and we'll be sharing you across so that you get the same results, because it's a system, right? So one of the advantages is that you can follow everybody's system. That is the advantage what you'll be getting here. We'll see that if you wanted to trade for today, what could be the conditions we would have put. Here is a chart for Bank Nifty. I'll go for the Bank Nifty. So let's say if I wanted to trade for today, and what are the input conditions I would have put. Let me just open up the chart. So this is the 10 minutes chart of Bank Nifty. You can see the Bank Nifty had a bearish day. It has fallen. So now it is trading flat. So now what would be the input condition? Let me just show you that. And we'll try to do it paper trading and see how it will work for now. So let's say now you can see the VIX is dropping. So the Bank Nifty is around this level. So let's say we assume that the Bank Nifty will be consolidating here for the entire day. Or maybe it has fallen so much, it could recover maybe up to this level. So then we want to take an advantage of this recovery. So what we will do is we will keep a lesser stop loss. So we'll just keep the entry timing 9:20. It will take the trade automatically. I'll just mention 2 lots. I will keep a stop loss of maybe 15%. I'm just taking a very less stop loss. And the expiry is 30th. You can see these are the parameters which is very essential for someone who is newly watching out. You need to please mention this one for if it is a monthly expiry, and you need to mention the proper expiry date for this particular input sheet, because if you miss this, then it will throw up some error, and you need to be careful while entering these parameters. And then yes, we want to buy 2000 points, and I will just mention paper trading, and we'll keep a target of maybe we'll just keep a target of maybe 1500 and stop loss of 1500, and we'll see how the system will trade for today. And let's say these are the conditions what we put, and we want to trade paper trade, right? And let us try to see how the system is going to trade. We want to capture this upside momentum. So you can see this screen here, the screen 2, right? As we mentioned the input parameters, you can see here the Bank Nifty chart. We expect that, okay, if there is a recovery, then will be a sharp recovery. So we want to take the directional movement, so that if let's say we have kept a stop loss and kept a target here, you can see this is the trade which is currently running. These input conditions are being pulled in the system. It has you can see in this trade what it has done is it has bought 36,700 call and 32,700 put, which is 2,000 points away from the ATM strikes, and then it has sold 34,700 call and put, because the Bank Nifty is currently trading at this level. You can see the Bank Nifty level, it is 34,700 level, right? It is trading around this level. It has sold 2 lots of call and put, and now you can see it's monitoring the P&L, and we have kept a target of 1500. If any of this target or stop loss is being hit, this system will automatically close the paper trade, right? This is how the algo will work in the real account also. I'm just sharing you the demonstration now. So I kept a stop loss of 15%, because if there is a one directional move, today we saw that it was having a very sharp fall. Maybe there could be sharp recovery, or maybe there could be sharp fall again on the downside. We don't know. But this is a consolidation zone, and maybe if its zone is broken, there could be sharp movement either on upside or downside. So because of that, I just kept a stop loss of 15%. Maybe you can change it to 20%, 30%, based upon the risk appetite. But what we're seeing in these kind of days, we see that there will be some sharp movement either on upside or downside. So because of that, if you want to capture the directional momentum, then this is how we can play out, by keeping a very steps less stop loss, and keeping a target, smaller target and smaller stop loss, so that we get the best results. So this is how we can trade this kind of strategies. We'll be giving you some best conditions also, maybe from January. So just observe this, how the system will trade. In the meanwhile, we have some few questions here. I'll quickly go through that. Prithis is asking how to buy the algo. Can I buy from our website or any other? I have fyers account, but no idea how to take API. So Pritesh, as if you subscribe for this algo, right, we'll be setting you all the things for APIs, and also we'll be installing you in your desktop. The logic which I had entered is, yes, I missed the morning trade, but now I'm expecting that there is a consolidation which is happening. Maybe there could be upside momentum. There is a high probability that there could be having an upside momentum. Maybe Bank Nifty can go up to this level, maybe 35,900 or 34,900 or 35,000. So there is a momentum of maybe 200 points. So if I want to capture that, I just take a neutral trade with a lesser stop loss. If it goes up, then the put premium, whatever is sold, it will be making profit in this short period of time. Or let's say if it falls, then the call premium will be making profit, because if I'm expecting a directional momentum, I will be keeping a lesser stop loss. If I'm not expecting a directional momentum, I would have kept a stop loss of maybe 40% or maybe 30%, because I don't want the stop loss to be triggered in those conditions. So these are the two logic behind this particular trade. And so you can see this is for 2 lots. I'm just giving an example for 2 lots, how this strategy can work. And we kept a very less stop loss. So you can see the stop loss for call and put is, you can see the premium, whatever it sold is around 412 and 358. So stop loss is 470 and 412, right? For 34,700 call and put. It's just 50 points for call and 50 points for put. So it's just 50 points here and there. So if there is one directional move, then you can see the stop loss being triggered or the target being hit. You can just observe this screen. You can see this is how the system works. It's very simple, and we'll be guiding you. Even if you make 1,000 rupees per day, or maybe for 1 lot or 2 lots, 1,500 rupees, we are looking for consistency. We'll be guiding you in such a way that we are all profitable on every month, because even we are looking to build that model, and we'll be guiding you. Thank you, and we'll update you on the algo community. For those who are already subscribed for the algo, we'll be adding you to the algo community, and we'll be guiding you in the text on whatever the input parameters or whatever the updates what we get for this particular trade. Thank you.